The role of nanotechnology in everyday life. A gentle winter breeze whispered through the city streets as Mira walked toward her apartment after a long day at work. She worked as a materials scientist, specializing in nanotechnology, and the world around her was a constant reminder of how much her field had transformed daily life. The gleaming cityscape, illuminated by energy-efficient nanotech-based lighting, seemed alive with the quiet hum of progress. As Mira stepped onto her doorstep, her shoes automatically cleaned themselves, an innovation made possible by nanocoatings that repelled dirt and water. The smart lock on her door read her biometrics in milliseconds, a feat accomplished by nanosensors embedded in the device. Inside, her home was a sanctuary of nanotech marvels. Her refrigerator, equipped with nanosensors, informed her that the milk was nearing its expiration date and suggested recipes to use it up. Mira smiled, appreciating the little conveniences that made her life so much easier. Her phone buzzed with a notification. Her nephew, Arjun, had aced his science exam. Mira beamed with pride, recalling how Arjun had been inspired by the nanotechnology exhibit she took him to last month. The exhibit showcased everything from nanorobots capable of performing surgeries to clothing with built-in temperature regulation. Arjun was particularly fascinated by the self-healing materials that mimicked the properties of human skin. Mira sat on her couch, which adjusted its firmness based on her posture, thanks to nanosensors woven into the fabric. As she sipped her green tea, she couldn't help but marvel at how the nanoparticles in the tea's packaging had preserved its freshness for months. The tea reminded her of a more pressing issue, the global water crisis. Mira's latest project involved developing nanofilters to purify contaminated water. These filters, made of graphene, could remove even the tiniest pollutants, making potable water accessible to millions. Her team was on the verge of a breakthrough, and Mira couldn't wait to share the results with the world. Her thoughts drifted to a recent memory, walking through a hospital where nanomedicine was saving lives every day. From targeted drug delivery systems to nanoscale imaging for early disease detection, the impact of nanotechnology on healthcare was profound. Mira's mother, a cancer survivor, had benefited from a treatment that used nanorobots to deliver chemotherapy directly to cancer cells, sparing healthy tissue. Later that evening, as Mira prepared dinner, she noticed how her cookware, treated with nanomaterials, required less oil and was incredibly easy to clean. Even the spices she used had been enhanced with nanotech to retain their flavor and nutritional value longer. Before bed, Mira set her wearable health monitor to track her sleep. It was a slim band infused with nanosensors that measured everything from heart rate to REM cycles. This data would sync with her doctor's system, ensuring her health was always monitored. As Mira lay down, she gazed at the ceiling, where a thin nanofilm blocked harmful UV rays while letting in natural light during the day. She felt a deep sense of gratitude, not just for the technology but for the scientists and engineers who worked tirelessly to make such advancements possible. In every corner of her life, from her shoes to her health, nanotechnology played a silent yet transformative role. Mira drifted off to sleep, dreaming of a future where these innovations would solve even more of humanity's challenges.